Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these yummy chocolate-covered brownie bites. For the ingredients, you'll need brownie mix and box ingredients, vanilla melting chocolate, cookie cutter shapes, and sprinkles. First, mix the brownies according to the box. Then get a wax paper lined baking pan and pour the batter into it. Bake it according to the directions. Then remove the brownies and let them cool. Once they've cooled, take your cookie cutter shape and push it into the baked brownies. I decided on the heart shape since it was around Valentine's Day. Continue this until you've used as much of the brownies as you can. Once you have all your brownies cut out, melt the chocolate. Then, with the brownie shapes on a cooling rack, spoon the chocolate onto each of the brownies. Quickly top them with sprinkles. Let them harden. And that's it! They're so delicious and make a cute treat to give someone. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching!